to another Travel Tuesday. I hope y'all are enjoying this series. If you have any topic discussion that you want to talk about, please leave them in the comments below. Any questions, please leave them in the comment below. My name is Alicia, and this is Alicia's Adventures, and we are on the go, okay? To another country, another city, another world. Okay, maybe not another world. But today I'm teaming up with my girl Karisha. Travel with Karisha, Miss Karisha. On YouTube, we did another collaboration before. You can go check that out on the video. I might link it up in here. I kind of forgot the name. But regardless, today we're going to be doing 16 things to do, not to forget before you travel. So she's going to give you 8 to-dos, 8 what not to do's or whatever. And I'm going to give you 8 things to pack. So she's going to give you 8 things to do before you travel. So after you click this video, you can go watch her video. The description will be in the link below. So here we go. The first thing that you need to pack is an extra SD cord. Okay? Cord. Extra SD card. Extra SD card. Extra power strips. That's the cord, because you just never know. Like in cruises, they be having one little thing, so you need to have an extra one. In hotels, the thing might be over here, it might be over there, so you need to pack this because you need to be prepared so yourself can be charged, so you can show your pictures, you know. Some headphones, because when you be on the airplane, baby's crying, or if you just want to walk. Now, I don't really advise you to be wearing headphones when you're in the city trying to go places like that. You could get crazy, you don't know what's going on. But yeah, so headphones, first aid. I always keep a little first aid kit in my makeup bag. Maybe it could be as small as that, or just in my suitcase with band-aids. You know, you can have all those other things in there, but I just make sure I have band-aids, and like they have gauze and stuff like that. Now, if you got to get into that, you may need to be going to a hospital. So toilet paper you should pack, because you know some places like China, when you go places, they don't have toilet paper regularly, and they might not have them in these hotels and things like that either. So you might want to pack some toilet paper. And documents. So that's like your visa, that's your passport. Not necessarily like your social security card, because that doesn't really do too much over in other countries, maybe, if I'm not mistaken. But like your ID and stuff like that, make sure you have something secure. So if anything happens, you know, Lord forbid, that you will be good, you will be safe. And then some cash for tips. You know, every time you go different places, they're trying to help you with your bag. They're trying to help you put this, and that here. And so just having some cash that you can just tip them to help them get some money, because a lot of these places do thrive off of tourism, and they want to help the U.S. citizens because they know they can make some money. All in all, so that's just some cash for them. And those are the 8 tips to pack. If you have any other ones, please let us know in the comments below. If you have any questions about different things, I'm really trying to think. I pack some snacks, okay? If I'm going somewhere like a little bit far, I do pack some snacks in my carry-on or something like that, in my purse. That's something that I pack. I pack an extra, I pack a portable charger too, because you just never know what's going to happen. And yeah, so that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Every Tuesday will be new videos. Peace.